Hello everyone, this is a Volkswagen Jetta Mk3. This casting is by Hot Wheels, part of their Silver series. So it has better details than mainline, supposedly, and misses on details compared to premium. So no rubber tires and no premium paint, I guess. But this one is from Graphics Remix Fast and Furious. And if you look closely on the card, you can see this was the actual color, white with blue deco or paint on it, and they remixed it, they changed it or swapped it. So now it's blue instead of white, and you've got the silver white paint on it. It does look good, so let's open it up and see what it has got. So here's the Jetta Mk3 out of its box, and as you can see, it has got a nice paint on it, and you can see the deco on the side. If you have seen the Fast and Furious movie, you might have seen this one, but in a different color. And a lot of memes too, because in the movie the wheels were not moving. This casting, let's talk about the details. Since we're on the side, let's see the wheels. They're finished in white, they do look good. You got Toyo tires, Parco written on the side, and from the side you can see there's a big wing, because most of them were modified. Also you can see the roll cage from the side, which is finished in blue. Let's go to the front. So in the front you've got detailed painted headlamps, you got the Volkswagen badge, the lower grille finished in black. You can see both the windshield wipers. It does miss out on the mirrors because it's based on rotor casting, when Matchbox didn't really do mirrors back then. Sorry, Hot Wheels didn't really do mirrors back then. It does still look good. The paint looks good on this one. Blue looks nice. I don't know what this number plate means. It says TI, I guess. Now coming to the driver side, it's almost identical. Don't really see any difference from the passenger side. Looks the same. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see painted tail lamp. Also see Volkswagen badge there and Jetta badge. You do have twin exhaust at the bottom, and again Sparco and Toyota written. You do get this top lamp too. And this is how it looks from the top. Interior is finished in white, and as I said before, you've got blue roll cage in there. This looks from the top, and this looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting, but again, it's not something that you have to get it because it's not new. It's basically a repainted, reimagined version of the old car. So yeah, if you like Fast and Furious, or if you like these older Jettas, go ahead, get it. I don't think you will be disappointed. But if you compare it to something new that's released recently, newer ones have better details, I guess. But this is very well detailed, especially for the price. It's nicely detailed. Well, that's all what I think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.